Namaste friends. Today we'll clarify a very important doubt posted by many women in our group. What is that is, can we lit Jaladeepam during menstrual cycle? This is the query posted by many people. The to reply to this question is very simple. What our ancestors do during menstrual cycle, that is the question, reply to this question. What our ancestors do during menstrual cycle 200 years back, where there is no electricity throughout the world, before the electricity is invented, our ancestors, every country, every religion person use fire as source of light during, not only in menstrual cycle, every day. They use oil lamps irrespective of their religion and country and greed. They use as a source of light. Now we had electricity, thank to God and thanks to technology. But now we are confused. Can we use the Jaldipam during menstrual cycle? The answer is very sure. Our ancestors use fire as source of light during menstrual cycle. So we can also use it. So don't have any negative perception on this. Also, Jaladeepam helps to fill the biophotons in our body. We have only three sources of biophotons in this earth. One is sun, second is moon, third one is fire. Use these three healers very perfectly and effectively. They're enough to heal any disorder, any imbalance. It might be psychosomatic or physiological. Any issue, these three healers can heal them. Here we are using the fire to the source as a source of light and source of biophotons in our bedroom to fill the biophotons in our body. And also, especially in menstrual cycle time, the women face many pain, imbalances, mood swings, lack of hemoglobin. There are many disturbances will happen. All these things can be fixed with Jaladeepam.